Again, this is my traditional way of going through video. Now we can play around and by having it do other things in the path, going there, jumping off diagonal and coming back on the diagonal, right? Now let's actually mark these as 4 of the interesting points in this space. So these are my 4 different, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And of course, what I'm doing is I'm transitioning from 1 to 2. In this case, I'm basically showing different paths through it. And then I can actually just move from 2 to 3, 3 to 4. And of course, I also have the option of looping back. I can loop back from 4 to 3, 4 to 1, 4 to 2. So this basically starts giving us a way of representing this in what is known as a Markov chain. Basically, at one stage, I'm looking as to how far I'm going to go to the next stage and keeping that memory. So this allows us to now represent how we're going to traverse this. This representation gives us a lot of power. I recommend you to look at the paper that we discussed, variety of extensions of this. I'm going to talk about a few of them in a few minutes, but I wanted to kind of also look at the paper and see what kind of different things we can do with this representation. So here's an example of some of the ways we can actually do this. So here, for example, you notice that just the same representation, and depending on how we do the transitions, we can actually make the same candle frame have different looks and feels. So one, of course, you notice is jumping around a lot more. The other one, this one here on the right, is jumping around a lot less. Same data, we can actually, just depending on how we do the transitions, create a different impact.